Hi, my name is Meena. I am going to give a technical seminar on a topic, gesture recognition. In introduction, we are going to see what is gesture recognition and gesture and proximity sensors. Now, we will know what is gesture recognition. Gesture recognition means identification and recognition of gestures originates from any type of body motion, but commonly originate from face or head. Current focus in the field include emotion recognition from the face and head recognition. Gesture recognition enables human to interface with the machine and interface naturally without any mechanical devices. Gesture recognition sensors come from the same family of touchscreen, but these are the sensors of human machine interface. In the growing IT field, it is much more important that the devices or gadgets we work with are not only smart but also sensible. Gesture recognition is identifying the motion of an object through its touchless sensors, and this movement of the body is processed using a microcontroller, and the corresponding response is given depending on the motion of the body. As far as the application of gesture recognition, touchless sensors are covered. They can be implemented in almost every field. Now, we will know what is gesture. Gesture is the physical movement, might be small or huge, right from the claps of a hand to a roundhouse kick or a nod of head. Sometimes voice is also considered as a gesture. Gesture recognition is the ability of a device to capture the human body movements and compute the data or command given by the user and execute the output accordingly. Gesture is usually used or a form of input to a device. This makes the interaction of human more natural with the computers. Gesture input is the most comfortable way to convey to computer what command we are willing to execute. The major advantage of gesture recognition is that a user is not limited to a touch screen input, which happens in case of GUI, graphical user interface, due to which the input may sometimes be limited to mouse, keyboard and touch screen, which are sometimes radiant. Now, we will know the working nature of various models. In this model, we are going to see we are using microcontroller and LCD and device 1, device 2 and a camera to capture the gesture recognition and serial communication and power supply. And the working nature of various models. First, we should start, then we should read the gesture. Next, that gesture is to be converted into text, and that text is to be compared with database, and after comparing the text with database, we should match with any command. If it is not matching, again we should start to capture the gesture. If it is correct, if it is yes, then we should send the instructions to the port. Then finally we should end. Now we will see in detail how the gesture will work. A camera captures the image data into its memory and sends it through the serial communication link connected to the microcontroller. Device 1 and device 2 can be a proximity sensors which continuously emits the infrared radiations, or maybe infrared sensors, and projects for calculating distance of the object from the device. The specialized software or recognizes the gesture made if compares the gesture with its database or the gestures that are force determined in its built-in library. Once the gesture is recognized, it is seen that it is sensible and meaningful. Once the interpretation of the gesture is captured, the microcontroller executes the response command that is associated for the particular gesture. Next, what are the advantages of gesture recognition? It is simple and usable. It is user friendly. It is freehand motion and touchless board. No wired transmission. In this gesture recognition, we won't use any wired transmissions. It replaces large input devices. Next, disadvantages of gesture recognition. What are the disadvantages? First, initially cost is very high. Next, proper ambience is required. Next, consumes high power. Next, gesture must not be too complex. Next, what are the applications of gesture recognition? It is automotive and healthcare application. It is key technology. It is gaming application. Next, literature survey. Next, conclusion. What is the conclusion of gesture recognition? According to this proposed system, it is possible to control a computer or a device without touching, typing, or pointing, or holding, or even wearing any device. Failure to identify the gesture is very low. While sensing the electromagnetic radiations reflected from the target object, there may be data loss or some noise interrupt may occur. Next, references. These are the references we have used. Thank you.